Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be setting up my Kinbor planner using this sticker kit from Lilly Blossom Designs. I do have a discount code with her. I am on her PR team at the moment. It is Bojo by Chloe 30 and that gets you 30% off, which is really good. I have used part of this kit before. In fact, I think I've had this kit. Yeah, I had this kit before. There you go, you can see I've had it before. So I've used part of another kit, but I added it to this one because I want to use it for here. I used that one before in my bullet journal. But yeah, we're going to be setting up this week coming. So this is the week from the 19th of June. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down my days of the week. So I really like this kit. The colours on this is really nice. Like I said, I have used this one before. It was for a bullet journal theme that I was doing. So yesterday I got the second half of my Kinbor set up ready for the second half of the year. And it did make me, as I was doing it, I was thinking I would really like to have a Hobonichi. Purely because of the weekly spreads. But I sort of already do that. You know, like the daily pages that I do, on this part here, I make that like dashboard part that you see in the Hobonichi cousin. So, I don't know. And I thought, I've got this one, I need to just keep going with the one I've got rather than buying more new planners, and I don't need them. So yeah, I will keep carrying on with what I've got for now, but maybe next year I'll consider trying something new. I'm not sure. Okay, so I've got my days of the week down. Let me just look at what I've got washi wise. So these kits they come with so much. You know, you get your boxes, you've got all of this functional stuff going on here. I'll probably use these on the first days. You've got functional boxes. Is that the same one again? This is the different one, and there's another box of functional bits there. I just love this kit. This kit is really nice. Okay, let's start sticking down. So now I've got my days of the week down, I'm just going to do day by day, decorating it until, you know, I'm happy with how it's looking. It all tears really nicely. So, you know, sometimes when it's got the foiling on, it's a bit sturdier and you have to use like a knife to cut it. You don't have to do that with this. Right, let's go with one of them. I can place that here. Okay, I want to know, anyone watching, is anyone going to Stationery Fest, Planner Fest, Journal Fest, whichever one it is anyone going to that? I really want to go, but it's really far from me. I mean, it's in Manchester, and that would take me, I think, 4 hours when I looked. It's about the same for driving and getting the train, but I don't know, FOMO is kicking in and I really want to go. I probably wouldn't do the whole, are there today's in this one? I don't know if I can use this. Yeah, I probably wouldn't do the which one is it? Is it planner and journal? I probably wouldn't do that part. That part's like £90. But I think I would do, what's the other one? Stationery Fest? I'm so confused. The one that's £10 and it's like shopping. That's the one that I want to do. Let's use this little scrap piece. Up there. But yeah, I see all the shops posting about it and I'm like, I really want to go. It'd be nice to go, to see people as well. Is it worth travelling 4 hours there and 4 hours back though? That's the real question. Do I need to go and do shopping? Because I am going to the Southwest Planner meetup thing-majig. That one, the slumber party. I will be going to that, which is only like in a month's time. So I do need to save for that, because obviously there's going to be stickers and I'm going to want to buy bits, craft stuff. Yeah, so I need to save for that. But I'm not sure. So if you are going, please let me know. Tell me if you think it's going to be worth it, or worth me at least travelling 4 hours to get there. Or if actually I should just leave it. Do I need to be there? Do I need to go? So yeah, that's what I'm currently thinking. My mum is also a planner, journaler, arts and crafter. And I'm trying to convince her to go. But she's like, we've got the other one coming up soon. Do we really need to be at another planner event just before we're about to go to another one? But I don't know. FOMO. That's the problem. And I know that weekend I'll see everyone's stories and I'll be like, I just want to be there. Okay, so all I'm doing now is I'm literally just decorating up the page using all these stickers, making it look pretty. There we go. So let's look at the ones I've got so far. So the first one, I used some of the headers at the top. That I will stick a sticker on that says today, and then my dashboard will go there where I'll write hour by hour what I done. Well, not necessarily hour by hour, like thing by thing that I did. So it might be that I read for a little bit in the morning, then it might be that I put a wash load on, then I went out, got lunch with a friend, and I'll just put that down. And I tend to have a way I do it. I stick one with a box and a character that side. Then I do one with a dotted edge around it with a character this side. So you've got one character that side, one character this side. And then the one underneath has no edging around it. It's just a character there. So then when you start back again with the box, the character will be on this side. So it alternates each time. If you're not sure what I'm on about, go have a look at my Instagram, because I do post the spreads up there. But because obviously this is a diary and I write about my day, I do need to blur bits out because I don't want it all on display. So yeah, that's the first 3 done. Let's keep going. Nope, let's try. I've got them all spaced out around me now. Let's double up on one. Let's do this one. And that one. Let's go this one first. There. And there. And then maybe this at the top. I tend to like leaving a little bit of space so I can write something big and bold in like the colour pen that matches with the theme for the week. So I'll leave that space here so I can write the highlight of the days. When I flick back through, those bits stand out. So I haven't got to read through the whole diary entry to be like, oh, what happened this day? The biggest part is there, like the highlight of my day. I don't necessarily do that every single day because some days there are no highlights. Some days it's just, you know, a day where I'm indoors all day and the highlight might just be that I read a book. Like yesterday, that's exactly what I did. I've been reading Fourth Wing. And if anyone else has been reading it, please comment what you think. But no spoilers because I've not finished it. I'm about 220 pages in. It's very, very good. I see why people have hyped up about it. But yeah, I think I can see where how it's going to end. I don't know. I might be wrong. Usually when I tell Connor about the books I'm reading, he can guess pretty easy about what it's going to end up as. But I haven't asked him about this one yet, so I'll have to do that and see what he thinks. How does he think it's going to end up? Okay, we're on to the last 2 now. So should we flick back and have a look so far? So we've got Monday there. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, now Saturday and Sunday. There is a nice little weekend one here as well, which, oh, I don't know if I stuck. No, I need to do them ones there. I'll use both the same colours for this one. So I tend to do all this on a Sunday. So as I'm filming this, it is Sunday. And then that way it's all done for the week. When I go to fill it in, I tend to add extra stickers with it, like other bits and bobs, just to fill the page out. So there's never really any spaces that are empty. It's been a while since I've done something up the top there. Let's try it. See how this looks. Maybe there's a reason why. Oh, that is really wonky, but okay, that doesn't fit and it's wonky. Yeah, maybe there is a reason why I don't normally stick them up here. I suppose I'm about to find out. That doesn't look straight at all. Maybe it's because the book is curved. Oh, it's down. It will do. Let's go with a big piece along the bottom. But yeah, I really enjoy setting these pages up. It's a nice way to start my Sunday mornings. I tend to always do this first thing and then catch up on the rest of my planning and journaling from there. I need to do some bullet journal spreads today because I'm a little bit behind on those, but that's fine. I can catch up quite quickly. That can go there. Do I have any more? Ah, I do have another one of that coffee one. So yeah, catch up on bullet journal today. Make sure I'm up to date with that. I've got this sticker kit that is going to be going in my bullet journal this week. Again, that is a Lily Blossoms Designs kit. I was going to save it for when I go to Disneyland, but I think I'm just going to buy it again. I'm also going to Disneyland during Halloween. Like, I will be there for Halloween. So I kind of think I've got a sticker kit from Plannerberry Co. And that is a Disney Halloween one. But I kind of want to do the whole of October all Disney, like leading up to the trip. Yeah, not sure, but I think that's what I'm going to go with. Okay, let's collect it all together. Let's flick back through and see how it's looking. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So that is the bare basics of what I will do. What I will then do during the week is I will write my dashboard here of what happened in the day, and then on the side here I will physically write a diary entry. Sometimes I don't necessarily write stuff. Like last week I had the workshop week happening, so I was drawing mini versions of what I've got up to. I don't know if any of you guys watched the workshop week. It was amazing. I had such a good time. I learnt so much, tried out so many different things. All the ones where I thought, nah, I'm not going to join in on that one. And then suddenly thought, no, I will. I'm going to try it. They were the best ones. Really enjoyed it. So yeah, I do little doodles there. Sometimes if I try a new recipe, I'll write a recipe there. It's just all my memories in one place. So yeah, this has got 6 months worth in here. I'm also getting to start using some of these at the moment. So these are the countdowns. In fact, that's this one. Where am I going to stick this? Oh, I didn't think about that. Just straight across maybe. Yeah, there we go, that's fine. Do I have any more to put in? No, the rest are July. So yeah, these are countdown stickers from Silent Beauty Plans for the Southwest Planner Club. So I just keep those in the back of my book. But yeah, that's it. That's it all done. That's this week planned and ready to use. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Let me know what else you want to see. I could possibly do this as a bullet journal setup to show you how I'm using sticker kits in my bullet journal. If you want to see that, do let me know. And and I can show you. But yeah, see you all again soon. Bye everyone.